In Serbia and Croatia, a tracked amphibious armored vehicle originating from the last century is still in use, and it is still appearing on the battlefield. This armored vehicle is the M80 series amphibious armored vehicle developed by Yugoslavia in the late 1960s. The development of the M80 took a long time, with the first prototype appearing in 1974, but the actual production model was not delivered to the military until the early 1980s. The first model was the M80, of which only a small number were produced. Subsequently, the improved M80A was the first model to be mass-produced. The M80A weighs nearly 14 tons and has a compact appearance. The M80 is powered by a 260 horsepower engine made in France, while the M80A is equipped with a Daimler-Benz OM403 engine, increasing the power to 315 horsepower. The running gear uses front-mounted idler wheels and 5 pairs of torsion bar suspension small-diameter load-bearing wheels with hollow structures, which are advantageous for increasing buoyancy in water. After the power upgrade, the maximum driving speed of the vehicle is 65 km per hour, and the maximum speed on water is 8 km per hour, crawling forward on tracks. The vehicle has a crew of 3 people, including a driver, vehicle commander, and gunner. The cabin can accommodate 7 soldiers, and the single-person turret on top is equipped with an M55 20mm autocannon with 400 rounds of ammunition, as well as a PKT 7.62mm machine gun with 2,000 rounds as an auxiliary weapon. Behind the turret, 2 at 3 anti-tank missile launchers can be selectively installed to provide the vehicle with anti-tank capability. In addition to the missiles on the launchers, the vehicle also carries 2 spare missiles. The protection is achieved by welded steel armor. Some reports claim it is aluminum, with 14 mm thickness and a certain degree of slope on the front armor, capable of withstanding the impact of 20 mm standard ammunition. The side armor can withstand 7.62 mm ammunition, and the vehicle is equipped with 3 defense systems and a fire suppression system. The M80A was a very successful infantry fighting vehicle in Yugoslavia at the time. After the Yugoslav wars, some were sold to countries such as Slovenia and North Macedonia. Production continued until the country disappeared from the world, with a total output of about 1,000 vehicles. These equipment have become the legacy left to Serbia and Croatia by Yugoslavia. The M80A has many improved versions, such as a self-propelled anti-aircraft version equipped with 2 30mm autocannons, a self-propelled anti-aircraft vehicle equipped with surface-to-air missiles, a company-level or battalion-level command vehicle with added command and communication equipment, and a medical vehicle without a turret. Regardless, the M80 series armored vehicles have been around for quite some time, and even with continued maintenance and upgrades, it is difficult for them to remain in service for too long. Slovenia donated 35 second-hand M80A vehicles to the Ukrainian military last year, and Croatia seems to be considering purchasing new armored vehicles to replace the M80.